The question is a positive number is 3 times another number. If 3 is added to the smaller number, the difference between new number and greater becomes 31. What are the numbers? Students, we will suppose that smaller number be x and bigger number be 3x. According to question, smaller number after adding 3 is equal to x plus 3. Difference is 31. So bigger minus smaller is 31. We will solve this equation. We will get 2x is equal to 34, x equal to 34 by 2 is equal to 17. Similarly, that is smaller number is 17 and bigger number is 17 into 3 is equal to 51. Is it clear? Next question. This is very important question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 14 if the number formed by reversing the digits is less than the original number by 18. Find the original numbers. Let one's place digit be x. I have given you an example that 78. How will we write in expanded form? 70 into 10 because this is at 10's place, and 8 multiply 1. 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. We can write 78. Like this we will suppose let one's place digit be x, 10's place digit is equal to 14 minus x because the sum of digits is 14. So original number is equal to 10 multiply 14 minus x plus x into 1. We have 140 minus 9x. This is now according to question on reversing digit. That means 10's place digit comes to 1's place digit and 1's place digit comes to 10's place digit. So here 1's place digit is equal to 14 minus x and 10's place digit is equal to x. Therefore new number is equal to 10x because 10's place digit is x. So we will write 10x plus 14 minus x into 1, that is 14 minus x. We will solve it. 10x plus 14 minus x, we get 10x minus x, 9x plus 14. This is new number. According to question now, original number minus new number is equal to 18. It is given. What is original number? For 140 minus 9x minus, we will put the bracket, 9x plus 14 is equal to 18. Now we will solve 140 minus 9x. This is minus 9x because minus plus 9 and minus plus minus and minus plus minus 14 is equal to 80. We will solve it. Minus 9x minus 9x minus 18x. So minus 18x is equal to minus 108. Here minus 18x equal to minus 108. So x is equal to minus 108 by minus 18. Minus minus cancel is equal to 6. That means 1's place digit is 6 and 10's place digit is 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. And number is equal to 86. While we reverse, that is 68. Another question. The denominator of a rational number is less than its numerator than 5. If 5 is added to the numerator, the new number becomes 11 by 6. Find the original rational number. This is the question. Let numerator is x and denominator is x minus 5 because it is given in the question. Denominator is less than the numerator than 5. Students, in this type of question we always suppose numerator and denominator. So that will be rational number is equal to x by x minus 5, numerator by denominator. According to question, if 5 is added to if 5 is added to the numerator only, that means x plus 5 by x minus 5 is equal to 11 by 6. After cross multiplication, we get 11 into x minus 5 is equal to 6 into under bracket x plus 5. This implies 11x minus 55 is equal to 6 into x 6x plus 6 into 5 30. This implies 11x minus 6x is equal to 30 minus 55 will go there, it will be plus 55 is equal to 85. So 5x is equal to 85, x equal to 85 by 5 is equal to 17. That means numerator is 17. We have to find the rational number. So we need to find denominator also. Denominator is x minus 5. So 17 minus 5 is equal to 12. That means rational number is 17 by 12. This is the answer. Next question. A car rental company charges rupees 500 a day and rupees 8 per kilometer for renting a car. Prakash rents a car for 2 days and his bill comes to rupees 1644. How many kilometers did he drive? Students, we have given the charges for a day. That is, we will suppose let number of kilometer be x. 1 day fare is rupees 500. 1 kilometer charge is rupees 8. So total fare it is given 1644. So it is given in question 2 days plus x kilometer is equal to 1644. X kilometer. It is 2 days means 2 into 500. This is the charges per a day, and 8 kilometer and 8 per rupees 8 per kilometer for renting a car. So that is 8 into x is equal to given. So 8x equal to 644. X is equal to, we will find 644 by 8. Next question. Rupees 400 is divided between a man, Rakesh, and Rita. Aman, not man. If Aman got rupees 40 more than Rakesh and Rakesh got rupees 30 more than Rita, find the amounts each of them have got. Here students, we will suppose Rita. That is Rita's share is rupees x. According to question, Rakesh got rupees 30 more than Rita. So Rakesh got x plus 30, Rakesh share. And Aman share again x plus 30 plus 40. Because it is given Aman got rupees 40 more than the Rakesh. So it will be x plus 70. Total money should be 400. So we will add x plus 30 plus x plus 70 is equal to 400. We will solve it. We will get 3x plus 100 equal to 400. 3x is equal to 400 minus 100. Next question. Akhil covered a distance of 15 km in 60 minutes. He covered first part of the journey by walking at 4.5 km per hour and the rest of the journey by a car at 30 km per hour. Find the distance covered by the car. Students, suppose there are 2 points Here I have drawn the diagram. That is 15 kilometer in 60 minutes and walking at 4.5 kilometer per hour. The distance, suppose the distance covered by walking is x and distance covered by car is 15 minus x, because the distance is given 15 kilometer. Total time 60 minutes, it means 1 hour. So work to that is time, walking time plus car time is equal to 1, because it is given total time is 1 hour. We know that time equal to distance by speed. Speed is given, so x by 4.5 and plus 15 minus x by 30 is equal to 1. We will solve it. We will remove the decimal. 10x by 45 plus 15 minus x by 30 is equal to 1. We will get the LCM of 45 and 30. We get 90. We will solve. Forty-five 2s are 90, so 10 2s are 20x plus 33s are 90, so 3 multiply 15 minus x is equal to 1. We will solve it. Here that is 20x plus 45 minus 3x by 90 equal to 1 by 1. Convert into the rational number. Fraction, that is 17x plus 45 equal to 90. 17x equal to 90 minus 45 and 17x is equal to 45. So x we got here x, that is 45 by 17. We divide it, we get 2.6 approx. So car distance is equal to 13 minus x. We get 12.35 kilometer. It was the question. Next question. That is, length of a rectangle is 6 centimeter more than its width. If its length and breadth each is decreased by 3 centimeter, the area of new rectangle is decreased by 36 square centimeter. Find the original length and breadth of the original rectangle. It means we have two parts, old rectangle, that is actual rectangle, and next one, new rectangle. Let width of the rectangle is x, so length will be x plus 6 according to question. That is actual area. We have I have written here old area L into B, that is x into x plus 6, so x square plus 6x. In new rectangle, new width equal to x minus 3. According to question, length and breadth each is decreased by 3. So we have new width and new length. We get new area, and according to question, the difference between the area is given 36. So we will solve. X square plus 6x minus under bracket x square minus 9 is equal to 36. Here I have explained that x plus 3 into x minus 3, that is a plus b into a minus b. We will use this identity. We get x square minus 3 square is 9. Now we have x square plus 6x minus x square plus 9. X square minus x square cancel. 6x equal to 36 minus 9. Like this we solve this type of question, students. So that is 6x is equal to 27. X is equal to 27 by 6. We will cancel it. We get 9 by 2, that is 4.5. X we have supposed that is width, so 4.5 centimeter is width, and we had to find the breadth of the original rectangle. So we can find L and B also. Next question. A boat goes downstream from one place to another in 9 hours. It covers the same distance upstream in 11 hours. If the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour, find the distance between the two places. Suppose there are two places A and B. Let the speed of boat is x km per hour and the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. It is given. So in downstream, speed will be x plus 2. We call it speed is equal to, in downstream with the flow, that is plus, and upstream we will minus. Time is given in downstream and upstream. So downstream distance is equal to upstream distance. It is given. Distance equal to speed multiply time. We will put downstream 9 multiply x plus 2 equal to 11 multiply x minus 2. In upstream we subtract the speed of the boat and speed of the stream. We will solve it. Look the solution. We have discussed this type of calculation, so you can do it. Here I have explained downstream speed and upstream speed. This is important question, student. Look carefully. That is 9x plus 18 is equal to 11x minus 22. 18 plus 22 equal to 11x minus 9x. That is 2x equal to 40, x equal to 20 km per hour. Distance is equal to speed multiply time. Distance, speed multiply time, that is speed is 9. Speed is x plus 2. So we will put here x, value of x is 20 plus 2 into 9, that is 9 into 22. We will get the answer. Next question. Students, this is very important question. You will get this type of question in your exercise also. That's why I have explained this type of question. One thing is very important, students. I have discussed different types of questions that you are able to solve exercise questions. Although you get problem, you ask. Half of the students of a class were playing in the field and 3/5 of the remaining went to an ice cream shop. The rest 8 stayed in the class. Find total number of students in the class. In this type of question, we will suppose total number of students. So let that is x. Playing in field, half means x by 2. In ice cream, 3 by 5 of remaining. So whatever the remaining, that is total minus playing in field x by 2. So it will be x by 2, x minus x by 2 is x by 2. So 3 by 5 into x by 2, we get 3x by 10. And in class it is given 8 students. Total when we will add, it should be x, because total number of students we have supposed x. We will solve it. This is the solution. We get x is equal to 40. That means total distance is 40 km. Next question. The present ages of Ramesh and his elder brother are in the ratio 5:7. After 4 years, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. This is also important. Let the present age, it is given the ratio. So we will suppose 5x and 7x. After 4 years, Ramesh will be 5x plus 4 and brother will be 7x plus 4. This is very simple. It is given the ratio of their ages. So we will convert into fraction. So that is 5x plus 4 by 7x plus 4 is equal to 3 by 4. It is given. Students, you read the question carefully. You are able to form the equation. And then on cross multiplication, we get 4 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 7x plus 4. We will solve it. We will get the present ages. This is 20x plus 16 is equal to 21x plus 12. We will multiply with both terms. We get that is 4 equal to x. So Ramesh present is 5x, that is 5 into 4. Brother present is 7 into 4. We got the answer. So these are the questions you will practice. Thank you.